It's a 2012 Chevrolet Impala. The exterior is akin to an athlete in a well-tailored suit. Perfect lines that show off the strength beneath. Inside, the perfect fit continues with room for 5 and everything you need to take with you. And it comes with all the amenities you need. AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, selective service internet access, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Of the Impala, Cars.com reports, so-called quiet steel at the firewall, a soundproofing dash mat, and thicker glass helps keep out unwanted noise. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.